Whoo! Almost locked myself out. Good morning. We are off to do hike 29, Grotto Fall. That should be in episode 31 coming up, which you're already watching, obviously. Whoo! Almost locked myself out. Stop putting stuff in the car. Because we had a lot of stuff we're leaving out extremely late. And I was busy trying to put some Tiger Balm on my knees and everything else. And we're starting out late. This is the reason why we cut off. We didn't go last week. We ended up going to Cumming State Park. And last week's hike, because we're going to leave around the same time we're doing now, and apparently it's a very popular place, very popular hike to go to. So we're going to try to do it again today. I don't have a plan B if this doesn't work, and it's about an hour and a half away from us because this particular trail is on the other side of the Smoky Mountain. So let me get dressed. I'll see you in the car. And yeah. She's already welcomed you back. You are a pain. Stop fooling around. Welcome back to the Whitebeard
and TK Experience.
It's now 12:30 in the afternoon, so good afternoon. I know I said earlier that she's outside, was going to say good morning and tell you where we were going. Only get to the car to find out she ain't do none of that.
No, because you didn't tell me when to do it. You just said do it.
When you get to the car. That's what I said. That's what I said.
Did you really?
You understand, right?
No.
You understand English.
No. What if they don't speak English?
Then that's too bad. They got subtitles sitting right down there and they can translate. And if you can't hear, you can also press a little button over there wherever the buttons are.
They can't read your lip because you got a mustache.
So she never did, so now I'm going to be doing it, and we're sitting here in the parking lot of somewhere. Hopefully some stranger will not come out with a shotgun and tell us to get off his property. But, so we were going to Grotto Falls. As I said to you upstairs, I believe, I think I told you that we were supposed to go there, but we didn't, so we're going to go there this week. Well, we went there, and we couldn't do it because when we got there, what happened?
The road was closed.
The road to the trail was closed. Now, we don't know why. I know what some of you are saying. Why didn't you check before you did? True. But what this showed me was that even though, like I said to you before, Smoky Mountain is in our backyard, pretty much a backyard playground, this was not really worth the trip. It took almost 2 hours to get over here. It's probably going to take us 2 hours or more with the traffic to get back. And so, we may try this one more time next month to try to hike over here, but I think we're probably just going to stick with finding other. She ain't paying no attention to me. Stinking daggone headphones on.
That's not why I'm...
Whatever. So, Hope you enjoyed some of the little scenic route we showed you on the way back. Because we couldn't go, there was no plan B hike. Like last week I had a plan B. At the last minute I found another place. We went to Cummings. There was no plan B for this because this was what we were doing it all for. So I'm not going to try to do this next week. We have another plan next week. We're going backpacking in a few weeks. So yeah, so we're headed back. I don't know what we're going to find. We saw a Kutsta spot, so probably going to jump in there before we head backwards.
Si, senor.
So this did not work out, and I have a headache for some reason. Anyway, let's push on down the road. Let's see what else we can get into. No doubt, when you clicked on this video today, you noticed that this was not episode 31, nor was this hike 29. We begin season 3 with footage that we had left over from season 2. We were kind of in a time crunch, self-inflicted of course, and so we cut season 2 short in order to begin this. And due to a lot of life things, and next week when you watch the episode, you'll hear a little bit of what has been going on in the background that has caused us to take so long to produce these episodes. So yes, we're all enjoying this in the summer, but we did begin with footage that we still had left from the spring. And much has changed since that time, and we have done a few things, and lots have happened, including injuries. So hang in there, come back next week.
We're under the Holy Catholic Roman Church. Is that the Crypt Keeper? Oh,
Well, needless to say, this day did not go well. So, we didn't talk to the way back. It is now, see that? The PJs are on. In fact, when I'm done talking to you, I'm going to turn this phone around and kill me some zombies. That one's over there, I don't know what she's doing, playing a game. But we're going to end this particular day right here. It was not the greatest. It started out with me making breakfast this morning, and the minute the eggs didn't come out right, I said to myself, I'm not going to believe that's the way the rest of the day is going to go. But there you go. So let's see what else we have for you. If not, well, we'll see you here next time on the
Whitebeard and TK Experience.
experience.
I'm a globetrotter You and I 비교나 하지마 우리 너무 달라 We just different I don't bother
I wanna go outside. Sing with me. In the rain.
여자나 집이나 세차 나가신다 넌 빨라 I'm a globetrotter 지금부터 시작이야 한턱에 money calls 세계 리듬이야 한턱에 money make the moves